Sayyid Khalilur Rahman Chishti Sahab, the pride of our city, being demanding, I welcome all the famous and celebrated personalities of the city. And I welcome in particular all the students of the great teacher Rana Muhammad who have celebrated to honor the great respect of Rana Muhammad Siddiq Sahab. This is in no doubt a great way of honoring, but in actuality, in fact, I assert that this is just a humble way of honoring such a great and mighty teacher. And I assert that if we kiss the feet of this great teacher, if we kiss the sandals and the shoes of this great teacher, we can't pay the true reward of his honor. It was because he was not just a teacher, but an ideal trainer. There were many who became good people due to the preaching of Rana Muhammad Siddiq Sahab. The building and the walls of Government High School number 2 witnessed the grand professional competence of this great teacher. Before his transfer to Government High School number 2, there was just one student who scored more than 700 marks in the whole history of Government High School number 2. Just one student. There was just one student who got 700, more than 700 marks. And immediately after 1900 marks, less than 600 marks, topper of Government High School number 2, and in 1997, his student got 748 marks in mathematics. Before his transfer to Government High School number 2, there was no Lohezaz. After his transfer to Government High School number 2, Government High is not an individual. Rana Muhammad Siddiq is a whole organization. Rana Muhammad Siddiq is a full institution. And I, from this moment, inshallah, this life would not only reach the bounds of this country, but inshallah, it will cross the limit of this country, Pakistan. Inshallah, if Allah permits, if Allah wills, there will come a time in future that the student of Rana Muhammad Siddiq Sahab will participate in all of the important fields of Pakistan.
और एक इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज का और ग्रामर का कि आप जितना आगे जाएंगे आपको गहराई का अंदाजा नहीं होगा। बहुत कुछ इतना कुछ सीखा हमने कि हमेशा हम जिंदगी में वो जो 2 साल हैं तो मेरी एक सरमाया है। और जितने भी हम गिफ्ट के लिए दें, जितने भी चीजें इनके लिए पेश करें, जितनी भी दुआएं इनके लिए दें, इनकी लंबी सेहत के लिए
सिलाते जाएगा सामने।
اور جب ایک تناور طاقت بن جاتا ہے، مالک کسی پودے کو پانی دے، اس کی دیکھ بھال کرے، اس کی حفاظت کرے، اس سے کہ نیتوں کی باڑ لگائے، اس کو پانی دے، کھاد دے،